And I was one of them who was actually beckoning to the minister that she needs to release some of the funds for the Costa Rica game come next week.
Welcome sports fans, welcome back. I'm Joe Mar.
I'm Rush.
And we're here again at the end of a disappointing outing. Let me take off my face so the people them can see the disappointment on it. Take off my mask, take off my face. I can't even talk, people, you get what I say? But we're here with another person in the fraternity, you know, Coach. From COACHE'S.
Yeah, big up on yourself and you people wanna subscribe to the channel. These two gentlemen, they are doing an awesome job. Hey, one of the things that easy to be in the media and put in these type of work. We could have that way, I'd watch a game, you know.
Yeah.
But we are out here putting in the work and we're gonna upload these videos for you to watch and enjoy. So I want you to subscribe. If you continue to watch and don't subscribe, that means you don't like the work. So I'm encouraging you to subscribe to the channel. Big up on yourself.
Alright. Talk to us about how you're feeling right now.
Brethren, I big up to all of the fans out there. Definitely, you were missed in the stands,
sure.
Honestly. And I was one of them who was actually beckoning to the minister that she needs to release some of the funds for the Costa Rica game come next week. I mean, I'm very dejected at the moment, you know, to say the very least, you know what I mean? It was a game. The first half wasn't not up to par in my estimation. We came back in the second half. I think the impetus was up a little bit. DJ was directing traffic.
Yeah.
I loved how he played, and you know it was a good look. And we got a goal. He got a goal, and we were on our way until you know some sort of referee decision, and then I think that the team lost discipline because of that, and then the whole matter of that defender there.
Yeah. All right. So
you see what I say?
you can see, you talk about the match next week against Costa Rica, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think it is a game that will be inconsequential? Do you think it's of academic interest at this point to us as Jamaican fans?
Well, mathematical, we have a chance, you know. Yeah, it might be mathematical, but you know, some people still don't want to come out their homes and you know watch some football at the same time. But I mean, it might be because this Panama team, trust me. But by the way, we know the result for the Panama game?
It's going to kick off at 9.
It not started. Oh boy.
But yeah, I'm tempted to, you know, agree with you on a lot of the things that you said, but I just feel like we're let down by some of the same players all the time. That's what I really feel.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm always praising the same players. I'm always saying that you should do better. And today it was all of us spoil.
Hold on, I'm letting you know a little secret on this and that sports. Listen. Go around the changing room a while ago and apparently they had their team meeting and the man them give it to the man who make the goal them score. I don't like call people names but I don't know who already there. I don't know who already. Them give it to him. They were blunt in their expression. Matter of fact, when the game finished, you know, DJ and Ravel they were livid, you know. Man walked down the referee, you know. TVJ wanted an interview with him, you know, and to a man as team, you know, nothing couldn't go on, you know. So you can know these players had it in them to win the game. They believe that they could have done it. They went ahead.
I feel like we could have managed the game after we went 1-0 up.
Mm-hmm.
We knew that the Mexicans would have, you know, came out of the shell that they were in and attacked us some more.
Yeah.
I feel like we didn't keep the ball long enough. I feel like every time we got the ball, we gave it back to the Mexicans.
Yeah.
To try and attack us, try and break us now with 10 men.
Yeah, but at the same time, I understand that, you know, we should have managed it well. But you see, playing with 10 men with a technical team like Mexico, who likes to move the ball around, it would have been difficult. Trust me. But I understand what you're saying.
All right,
but it would have been difficult, very difficult.
So them all have to like for winners today. The one thing I want to touch on with the coach, the commitment of the players, because this might really have been our last realistic chance of acquiring qualification to Qatar, right?
Yeah.
We have a slate of games, Nations League, Gold Cup qualifiers, Gold Cup, then World Cup qualifiers over the next 4-year cycle. Do you think that we will be seeing some of these faces, like the Ethan Pinnocks and the Kevin Stewart's and give me another one, Liam Morris. Do you
Yeah.
think we'll be seeing them?
I hope so. Because I think if Paula remains at the helm,
Yeah.
remember he's the interim coach, you know? If he remains at the helm, then possibly there could be something. But at the same time, I'm not thinking too much of it because
Well.
with that team that went to Peru, I think it's foresight to indicate that if there's a slim chance of us or a chance of us not making it, then we would have worked with those players and we see where there's a certain set of players going forward. So,
Well, thank you so much for
Yeah,
just
man.
discussing the game with us, coach. We'll continue to see what happens with this program, you know?
Yeah.
man. Thank you, coach.
Disappointment at the office. This is This or That Sports TV.
Out.